We have this breaking news that we're following just now out of the State Department, just releasing their bombshell report on the Ferguson, Missouri Police Department. Investigators found the department routinely violating the constitutional and federal law, and this comes in the wake of Michael Brown's death by Ferguson officer Darren Wilson last August. Msnbc's Trymaine Lee just went through this report. So the big takeaway here, Trymaine, is what?
I think that the takeaway from this report is that what people have been saying all along about the Ferguson Police Department has been found true by the Justice Department. While the population is only about 60% black folks made up 93% of those arrested. But more so, the Department of Justice uncovered emails from court officials and police leaders making racially charged jokes involving the abortion of black women and President Barack Obama. And so while the light was bright as it was after Michael Brown was killed, we're learning more and more just how deep and wide the net cast by the municipal system and the police was cast over black folks in Ferguson.
So, Trymaine, as we talk about what the findings are going to reveal, and certainly it's going to upset and break a lot of hearts for people that this is coming to light as it is, and especially after this investigation and the loss of Michael Brown. But what is the Department of Justice saying to the people in Ferguson and in this presentation about how this can be fixed in the years to come?
So far, not much. Again, this is just coming out this afternoon. But for the last several months, the federal investigators, even up to Attorney General Eric Holder, have been trying to let folks know that they should have confidence in the Department of Justice, that they will do everything they can to kind of remedy some of the wide gaps and unhealed wounds in this community. And so while we don't know much yet, and we know some folks will undoubtedly be upset that no civil rights charges were filed against Darren Wilson, the police officer involved in the killing, that wasn't expected. But this is a start and this is a change, and folks have been saying for a long time that the police department needed to be shaken up, that from the top to the bottom there needed to be a serious review. Now, one of the options here is a federal consent decree, which would place a federal monitor in the police department. There would be checks and balances. For 5 or so years, folks would have to make sure they reach certain goals about their stops and their data about racial profiling and how folks are being stopped and their treatment as such. And so again, while we don't know much yet, this is a first step. And so while one chapter is closing, this is certainly the start of a new one.
But meanwhile, Darren Wilson, the officer who shot Michael Brown, is not implicated.
That's right. Again, after a grand jury decided not to indict Officer Wilson back in November, there was little expectation. Now, the bar for federal civil rights charges is extremely high.
Right.
Prosecutors would have to prove intent that he targeted Michael Brown because of the color of his skin. That would have been a hard bar to meet no matter what. And so while he resigned, he's no longer there. That's one thing that people were calling for. But still, until there is real systemic change in Ferguson, in St. Louis County, folks are still going to be pushing, still going to be asking and demanding for change. And so far, this is one kind of big step by the Federal Department of Justice.
All right, Trymaine Lee, thank you, Trymaine, for joining me. I appreciate it again. The DOJ revealing that there was a pattern and a practice from the Ferguson Police Department to discriminate against minorities.